Hello, hello. How are you? Mm. Oh, I'm gonna do this. So I'm gonna just change a bit of the design I did yesterday. So I want to make it a bit. I think it's gonna be. It looks better. And this is what I want to do for now. And I'm gonna just change the title here for Find Me a Movie. So now what I want finally, I want just a cell here, so you can scroll, and that's gonna be the maybe a bit more than the half is gonna be the picture of the movie. So we don't gonna really change something, but here we're gonna have the face of one of your friend, of someone you follow who just rate this movie. So and what I'm gonna do in the backend is I'm gonna show the recommendation. It's gonna be about which movie in your friend the most recent was with the better review. So the only thing I need to change now, it's my flat list here, right there. So inside my render horizontal item, I have so this is this one. So now the thing I don't understand, if I say a width of 180 and I put a background color of red, okay, so this is what I was thinking. And when I put a width of 100, I get nothing. No, I get something. If I remember, a scroll view should have a stop. Like what I want, it's like I want my the swipe to just be like one movie at a time. Oh, oh yeah. So I think it's the last version of 48. They came with the slider. So now here I should have unchanged visible row. Kelvin has set of visible row chain. No. Nope. Nope. Oh really? Okay, no. Nope, nope, nope. So I think I have no possibility to do what I want to do. Because now inside my feed small card where I am right now here, my root. So now if I put a background, so I have a background color of my root and it don't looks like it work. So if I remove the width, no. But if I put a width of example 180, oh yeah, inside the number. So if I say flex 1, do we gonna take the full? Nope. So here I'm really gonna need to put, because now I don't want any more border radius. So I want this movie to take the full. It's gonna be a bit higher, so 200. So after that I can, no, 180 was good, but now maybe if I take my dimension and I create here a variable, it's equal to the dimension that get window. So this way you can get the in pixel how much the width, and I say so just width, I think. Yeah, perfect. So this is what I want. Oh, it depends, Michel. It's like read. I mean, it's for me. I use Redis for the memory, so I mean it's. But I really love MongoDB in the same time. But for now, I'm using Postgres for my kind of own project. I restart to relove a SQL database. So what I'm gonna do? So now for now, I'm gonna just remove this wrapper, put it down. Gonna just resave, so that's gonna almost remove everything. I'm gonna just so what I want now is I want to separate my image here in two. So what I mean by that, it's my image is gonna take gonna stop here. So what I can maybe do is I'm gonna need to have another wrapper for this one. I'm gonna have my image, because my image gonna always take the full size of his wrapper, and I'm gonna have another wrapper here. So this one's gonna have a type of style, that image wrapper, and I'm gonna just put it with a flex of, so I want maybe 60% of the flex, and this one for now I'm gonna just say hello, and I'm gonna just put style, and this one's gonna have a style of contain wrapper, and this contain wrapper now is gonna have a flex of 0.4. But now I think I'm gonna need to change my wrapper, so the one will go, so the parent to be row. was in the row. So no, that should be the root. Sorry about that. So if I put the root, now I'm gonna have perfect. So this is what I want. So it looks a bit better, I think. So now the background here is gonna be white. Yeah. So this is what I think I'm gonna want, but now I want to remove from the image the border radius. Okay. So now what I think, it's too big. So maybe 150. Yeah. I think it's gonna be better like that. But I think I'm gonna make it 0.5 and 0.5. No, I want it 0.6. 0.6. But now this here, now I'm gonna have my friend icon here with his name right there, and I'm gonna have like a rating. And here I'm gonna have like the first maybe like 20 character of what he write. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just re-put the view style wrapper, this one. I'm gonna uncomment this thing, but now if I want to have the relative, I'm gonna just put it right there, and I need to put the image wrapper with the position relative. So now if I save, that should, okay. Now I just think this text, it's too big, so I'm gonna maybe put like 18. Yeah, sounds good. The subtitle font size, I'm gonna put like 15. Yeah, and what I want after each one of them, so right there, what I want, it's right there, I'm gonna say if I, it's not equal to 0, so if it's not the first one, I want to have this. So what I can do is I can say equal like that. If I do this, okay, yeah, but I should say if category that length -1. Yeah, perfect. But I'm gonna need one space. Yep. But style category, I'm gonna say 2 now. Yeah, I think it's gonna looks a bit better. So now I'm gonna have the movie like that. So now I'm gonna just design this box, but I want to put like some background color here in my card. So I'm gonna just uncomment this one. 60 because it's gonna be 10. Yeah. So now I think I'm gonna remove the recommendation at the top. I don't want that. I don't want margin top. I kind of like it. Yeah. This is how I'm gonna go. And now I'm gonna just design my right side right there. So I'm gonna put the avatar here, and its name. Here I'm gonna put his rating. Yeah, this is what I'm gonna do. So finally here, this movie is gonna be like the 5. So not the 5, but that's gonna be a list of latest reviews from the one you follow. So like I told you yesterday, when you like some movie, like some category of movie, like example for me, I really love each Marvel and DC comic movie. I know someone else like it, and like I always like have the same kind of movie we like, so I can just follow him and see what he watch, and if I can find some new movie and TV show. And well, now I have this. So what I think I'm gonna do, so I'm gonna change. Okay. I can maybe re-put to the bottom later. I'm gonna put it there, but not yet. I can. Why is not there? Oh, because it should be there, I think. Yeah. So my content wrapper, inside that, I'm gonna have another view. Where here, I'm gonna have style, that meta wrapper. This one's gonna have a flex of, I think it's gonna take like maybe 0.4. And I'm gonna just put a background color yellow for now. And I'm gonna have another ear wrapper, but this one's gonna have a style of review wrapper, because that's gonna be like the review of your friend. And for now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put some Lauren text. Oops. But I'm gonna remove some of this like that. Perfect. Take the flex one, but here I need really a bit more. 6, maybe 5. Okay, and my content wrapper, I'm gonna put some padding like of 2. A bit more, like 5. So now I get some padding around everything. Perfect. So now here the hello is gonna be replaced by an avatar. So here I'm gonna separate that in 2 other boxes. Inside one of them I'm gonna have my image. For now I'm gonna use my avatar. So I think I put that in the feed card. So I'm gonna just copy paste that just for now. And I'm gonna say your fake URL. And I'm gonna say style that avatar EMG for image. This one's gonna be style of avatar wrapper. So I think I'm gonna just put a This one's gonna have a flex of 0.4. And here I'm gonna say flex direction row, because I want left to the right. And now my avatar img is gonna have a width of null and a height of null. This one's gonna have a justify contain center and align item center. But my width finally I want to be like 40, and a border radius of 20 to be to take. Think it's too big. So 30, 30, 15. What happened? Oh, I say flex 1, that's maybe why. Okay. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go with this size. But my align item is gonna be flex start. Yeah. And 0.4 is too big, I'm gonna say 3. And I'm gonna say 2. Yeah. Why I did that there is just because I want to make sure, like, yeah, I can put some margin, but the thing is I get some weird problem with bigger size, and I don't want that to happen anymore. But 0.3 is it's too slow, too left. So I'm gonna say 0.35. I just want, yeah, so now I get some margin, so now my name can go right there. So what I'm gonna do, see, I have the avatar. Now here I'm gonna have my style of style that review at the wrapper, and I'm gonna have 2 texts. One's gonna be like username, and this one down's gonna be a text. It's gonna be icon, like I want to show a 5-star review. So I'm gonna just put the name for now. Oh shit. So now it's gonna go right there. Too big as a font size. Yeah, a bit better. Also, I'm gonna put number of line maximum of 1. So I'm gonna get dot 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 if you go more than 1 line. And now I really want to have like my 5-star here. So what I'm gonna go to vector icon. Hello, hello. How are you? Star. Okay, I'm gonna go with the iron icon. And I have already, so that's perfect. So I'm gonna create a component called feed card star rating.js. So this one is gonna be finally just a star rating stuff. For now, I'm gonna just make it with just a functional. So vector icon ionicon, and what I want here is gonna export default a function feed card star rating return. You're gonna have some props. The props I think I'm gonna pass is gonna be the rating himself. So example, if I say I'm gonna say for this, so it's gonna be a number. So I'm gonna say rating, and that's gonna be type of props. And now here, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have a view and a style sheet. I'm gonna say root like always. Perfect. So now what I'm gonna do, it's rating finally. Yeah, it's gonna be a number. So what I'm gonna do, it's here. I'm gonna say cont ratings equal don't even remember how I can do this here. What I'm gonna do, I don't gonna like what I'm gonna do, but for now, name, I think that was iOS store. Color, for now I'm gonna put red only, and size I'm gonna put maybe 20, and I'm gonna put a key equal to I. I really don't like this, but for now, oh, I'm stupid. I'm really stupid. Because I always want 5. What I can do, so if I do this, too much. And the color here is gonna be, yeah, it's gonna be, at least for now. Too big again. Perfect. And I want him to have some space. So what I'm gonna say star. I'm gonna say margin left of 2. And I don't want to toggle the first one, so it's a bit what I want now. It's bad code, but at least it works for now. Yep. And I want here the note. I can just put that in the reading. And what I'm gonna say here is I'm gonna say average rating, which is gonna be another number. Now I'm gonna need to have a text. I'm gonna put a right there. Why did I put rating? And I'm gonna say average rating, and I'm gonna say 7.5. So how I'm gonna manage it? It's review wrapper. Kind of like it. Yep. I'm gonna use a color I know I can maybe like if I go. I'm gonna change the review. Review wrapper style review. This one's gonna have a color of RGBA 228, 230 and 231, and I'm gonna say maybe 6. Oh shit, maybe no. No, it's really too maybe gonna go. I have a palette of color right next to me, so no. I think I'm gonna go with more this thing. So I think for the red, I'm gonna go with that. This red, it's maybe. So my util, I'm gonna create a file called constant.js. And inside this one, I'm gonna have one of my constants, gonna be colors. I'm gonna try with that. Inside my star, yeah, I think I like it much more. For this review, I'm gonna say number of line no more than 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After that, that's gonna truncate for me, and I need to put a font size of 13. And I don't like this color, so I'm gonna use grayish. Maybe not gray, but yeah, like 222 I think is gonna be good. I don't want black, so yeah, but black 222 in RGBA. Oh yeah, I can use the package npm colors, I think. No, not this one. This one. So why I want to use this is because I want to add in X, but I don't want to manage like all the RGBA and stuff like that. So here this color, I'm gonna take it in my constant. I'm gonna say black, like that. I'm gonna go here. I'm gonna import colors from color. Oh yeah, they put the. And now what I'm gonna do is this colors. I'm gonna import first my constant. And now what I'm gonna do is to put your color inside. And you say lightning finally. So what I mean is you say color, you put your color, and you say lightning, and give me 0.5. Do it work? Oh, it's opaque. Okay, I want. So if I do this, no. No, I mean not like that. Colors that black. Yeah, that was like I did. Alpha. Maybe the alpha. Oh yeah, now it worked. So now like when you see like kind of color like that, when I want to change the white, I can just do this. Not for now, but because like this way you don't need to change your variable, but you're gonna have your RGBA for that. Now I can remove unused variable. I think for this one it's better. Yeah, but here I put 7.5, but that should be like 4.5. Okay. Well, now I'm gonna change this thing. So finally, I want to have a list. And what I want is here we're gonna have like TV show, movie, and you can scroll a bit like Netflix do, but from your feed. Reason to. Yep. What are you working on, everyone? Are you working on some of your side project too, or? If some of you ask what I'm doing, it's just like a social media for like movie and TV show. I really love it, but it's like just an update of the thing I've done to inside my 12 and 12 challenge. So if you want to see like the video where I did this app, but didn't like push it to the store or something like that, this is the link. So I want to do like almost the same kind of stuff, but much more advanced feature with stuff saving inside a real database and stuff like that. And I hate doing the UI when I don't know what to build, how to build it. I think the top is done. I think I'm gonna stay with that. So here when you click that, you're gonna have a list of movie you need to watch later. So I think I can maybe put the link. When you click that, you add this movie to your list. You watch it later. And now, yeah. Here I'm gonna have my swiping right and left. And have some setting. I don't think I'm gonna go with the side menu. Side menu gonna just not for now at least. something I can do. Let's go to my navigation, and I know I maybe don't want to have setting because that's gonna be my profile. Evil con. Um, it's not good. Real life one, I think. 255, 83, 84. 255, 83, 84. 255, 83, 84. 255, 83, 84. And I should have two other tabs. So I should have one before this one, who's gonna be in cinema, and another one, this one's gonna be to watch screen. So I'm gonna have, oh, okay. Which kind of icon I can put for that? Maybe yeah, like this one, TV from what is your name? Material icon. So I want it to be this one, material icon, TV 30. So that's gonna be the bottom, like to watch. Oh, I put my height of my nav bar. Okay, yeah. I'm gonna put 50. And the second one, what I'm gonna say, in cinema. Hello? What do you mean by list? Like a list or run? Yeah, maybe like that, like you want to see. Man, I really don't know. I'm gonna go with that for now. Run. Okay, yeah, you mean at least, yeah. I think I'm gonna go with that for now. Like, this is not something I really want to lose time for now, but oh shit, what I've done. Run fast. Because you want to run and see it. Yeah. So like that. Now I'm gonna have my movie now. This is this thing I don't know, but I think it's time to do some backend stuff and see how I'm gonna do this. Or plus I'm gonna put the placeholder when you load. Yeah, I think we can jump on some backend stuff and look. Oh, sorry. What? The movie database API. Time to create the API for the stuff. What do you think about that? Working on the server side a bit. The time I just think about how I'm gonna do this design. So I think I have maybe an icon. Yeah. Okay. Really? Okay. I can keep it start. So what I'm gonna do, it's inside my module. I'm gonna have a module called movies, and one of them is gonna be TV shows. I'm gonna have a module about icon, so for the user. I'm gonna have a module called for now I'm gonna just go that. I'm gonna go to the movie, the GS. So movie, movie. What? Um, movie slash ID. Get We're gonna test it with the popular. So get movie popular. I'm gonna go with for now we're gonna just try. Oh, can maybe just, and now here yeah, I should have done like that, movies before, and now here I would have put my movie route, so here I don't need to put movie, and now here I can export default this route, and now what I want, it's here I can full 4 API v1 movies slash popular movies what I did wrong here. Yeah, I've created a Discord for the one who didn't know. I put the link on the description. It's just like if you have some questions sometime, I'm not always on YouTube, so I can answer much more faster on this thing. That don't came as I would like to have. Hello. Image. I should have something for image. Get image. Movie / image. But what is that? Poster path. Okay, so what I think, I'm gonna deploy it on surely Amazon or maybe Google App Engine. So if I look at the link here, copy link address. What? A copy image address. Image. So what you told me, it's if I copy paste this thing. Okay, so okay. Oh, nice. So I'm gonna create a m data for my data equal data that reduce. Or here I'm gonna just finally create my own array because I don't like the way they have managed it. So I'm gonna say R, and so R is gonna be this array and not one item. After that, I'm gonna say cons emg cons post star equal I. Oh, I know, that's a good idea. I'm gonna create here a util folder where I'm gonna have a helper that as a file. So what I'm gonna create is I'm gonna create a helper who's gonna be call get movie db email poster, get movie db poster. So you're gonna see what I want to do here. It's gonna be pretty simple. First thing I want, first thing, I don't know why I didn't set up flow. Yarn add dash d flow bin. Really? I like when I create my own function to have flow. So here, what I'm gonna do, so this function get movie db poster, it's gonna be helper function. We're finally gonna take the constant, the URL of the movie API. Okay. So this function here is gonna take a height and a width. By default, if I have no height, I'm gonna say 100, and if I have no width, I'm gonna say 100. So I'm gonna destruct string for that, and I'm gonna say height, it's a number, and I need to have a width as a number. And okay, so I'm gonna have a height and a width, and you're gonna see why. Because as you can see in my URL right there, so this is the URL we need for building the thing. Here you see we get width and the height, and after that we have the ID. So here I shall say ID. Yeah, but maybe not inside an object. Yeah, but you're gonna detect it? No, I'm gonna say number. And ID is gonna be a string. And here what we're gonna return, it's a string. So I don't need that. So now here what I'm gonna say, is I'm gonna finally just return the URL slash no, it's, so I'm here slash w with the width and h height best v2 slash id. So this function gonna take a number and a string, Perfect. Now I'm gonna import this function. Okay. And you're gonna see why. Here I'm gonna say const movie equals, so that's gonna be one single movie. And inside that, I want to have a value of post star who's gonna be finally equal to get movie post star. Here I need to put the height. I don't gonna put default value. For now, I'm gonna say 100, 100, and the ID is gonna be equal to item._ID. And now I'm gonna just type, just for now, really quick, type movie, and I'm gonna just copy paste all that. You're gonna see why I really love float type. It's a number. It's a number. A Boolean. A number. It's a string. It's a number. It's a string. So you type finally what you got. Salut bébé. We type finally what we got. So this thing is gonna be an array of number. You're gonna see why it's really awesome. And I'm gonna make it inside his own folder after that. It just, so you type everything you can got, and now, yeah, but this thing, it's almost, I'm gonna say date. Oh yeah, and here that was data, that result. And what I'm gonna say, type data equal an object where I'm gonna have a result who's gonna be an array of movie. And I'm gonna say data equal data. So now if I show you that, now you see if I just put my mouse over my item right now, I'm gonna get everything an item can get. So by doing this, I can say item that post star path. So that should be post star path and not ID. Path. Like that. And now if I put my mouse over, you see I get the poster with a certain dimension. So this is what happens when you add your stuff here. So I'm gonna want to have the movie db id equal to item.id. So that's gonna be its own ID. After that, I'm gonna want to have the title. So I'm gonna say item.title. After that, I have access to is the vote average. I want to use mine. Maybe release date. So if I do this, and now I refetch again, and I crash everything. Oops. Oh shit, yeah. Oops. What I did wrong? What? That was good. You know what? I'm gonna remove that. I'm gonna remove this. And I'm gonna say an item is gonna be equal to a movie. Take my that's stupid, it's like that. Unexpected token. So it's really my Babel, don't like it. Syntax flow. I think that was this thing. What the heck? I'm gonna need Babel core. What happened? Don't understand why I got that. So I need to put that inside an array. Like that. No sense. Okay, so now I get the stuff slash. Oh yeah, because this one don't need. So now I'm gonna just put this type here. So this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna say movie db data like that, and now I'm gonna create an index.js here, where this one is gonna export type. I'm gonna import oh, I did that. Like this. Something is wrong. Oh my god. Chaos, I know why. Okay, so now when I send, I get this kind of stuff. How much movie do I get? So it would be nice to send the count in same time. So here I can see movies, and I can see count. 20. Which page? Oh, that's true. They send me the page, so I can say page by saying that page. I think page 1. And now here, what I can maybe get, it's I think I'm gonna get. So if I want to send a page, I can say requery page. Yeah, 2, like I want. And now here I can say and page, I think, equal minion. So if that work, Starship Trooper. Perfect. So my offset is working. Oops. Okay, so now when I want to get movie DBID, co-star, Good, 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 good. And page is still working. Yeah, perfect. So that's gonna be my get request here. So that's gonna be get popular movie. So I'm gonna really need to have a recommendation. So this is what I'm gonna do with the recommendation. Now I'm gonna have slash popular for movie. So I think each that's gonna always look almost the same for them. Like I think each movie gonna almost always look the same. Because now I've get popular, get now playing. I'm sure if I do this, now playing. Oh, I see something. You can specify a region. Like what? Like Canada or Quebec, maybe. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just reuse the same for now. We're gonna see if that's gonna work the same way. Yeah, the same way. King Arthur. Don't think this is what I want to see. And just for testing, Quebec. ISO. Oh boy. Really? Oh, like CA, maybe, yeah. No? Um, I'm gonna just don't let to have this one. IT, Iran. Okay, so this is what I'm gonna do. So my V1 is gonna be REST, but my V2 is gonna be with GraphQL. So I think what I'm gonna do now, it's now I have my movie. I think it's not a good name here, I should say. And I should call that a service. And you're gonna see why in a second. Oops. Really? Oops. Yeah, still work, but now looks cleaner. So this gonna stay my controller, but now I'm gonna have a services where I'm gonna call my third-party API here. So I think it's gonna make my account a bit cleaner. And here, if I want to do some business logic, I'm gonna go there because this service here, I think I'm gonna maybe just create a class, because if we look at this, I think gonna always take almost the same kind of logic. Maybe no, because I'm gonna want to have similar movies. So this is how I can show which movie to look at it with the recommendation. Yeah, so what do you think of this code here? I mean, I'm just take time on this one just because I think they're gonna almost all be in the same. So if I do this one right, the other one gonna be really easy to implement. So now I just remove this function, and I think what I can do, it's right there. Oh no, I'm gonna keep it with the variable. Yeah, I think this thing is good. And now when I get to my controller, I just need to call my services. Yeah. Uh, how we do this? It's like that. Oh, I don't remember that. Oh, was close. Gonna check if he good, if he looks right in in GitHub. Nice. I think remove the quotes. I think I need to tone prettier. And I'm using flow type. Yes, I'm gonna stop here for tonight. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy. I mean, that wasn't not that much, but at least we just set up what we're gonna really need for the rest of the application. And just let me know, like, I mean, if you want in the comment how you feel about the services. It's almost like the first time I did that. I just see that on the code base of Java, and I think that just makes sense to have this kind of stuff. So I hope you enjoy, and I'm gonna surely stream this weekend, and I'm gonna finish the video about Apollo 2 this weekend. So we talk later. Bye.